Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cause like, comment, and subscribe is free, so that you must help me just to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ah, Thank you very much. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. What's a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is just like a digital form of cash. It's just you can use it to buy a friend for yourself of the party. Uh, buy that new pair of Scots you have been eating up or book frame and hotels for you next holiday. Because cryptocurrency is digital, it can also be sent to friends and family anywhere in the world. Yeah, like that. Cryptocurrency. Just like PayPal or bank transfers, right? Hmm. Well, not really. It's way more interesting. You see, traditional online payment gateways are owned by organizations. They want your money for you, and you need to ask them to transfer it on your bill when you want to spend it. In cryptocurrencies, there is an organization EU, your friend, and thousands of others can as your own banks by running free software. Your computer connects with other people, computers meaning. Uh, you communicate directly, no middleman required. To use cryptocurrency, you don't need to sign up for a website with an email address and password. You can download a web free of it onto your smartphone to begin sending and receiving with minutes. Why do they call it cryptocurrency? Why? The name cryptocurrency is a combination of cryptography and currency. With cryptography, we use advanced methods to secure our funds, making sure that nobody else can split them. There need to understand all these applications you use will all the heavy elite. You won't even know what's going on under the hood. If you're interested in that kind of thinker, we've got a few articles for you. What is public key cryptocurrency? History of cryptocurrency. A cryptography symmetric phase is asymmetric and caption what is digital signature. So this medical internet money is owned by anyone. Alhamdulillah. Anyone and use cryptography to score the system. But you have already got it for paying people. Why should you care? Yes, maybe just this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because I always talking you about cryptocurrency, and the other. Yes. Well, see you